While scrubbing hardwood and tile floors with a traditional mop or steam mop is a reliable way to make them sparkle, this kind of cleaning can become a real chore to tackle on a regular basis. A robot vacuum and mop combo can help you keep up with keeping the floors spot-free while saving you time and energy. Today, I have reviewed the 5 best robot vacuums and mop combos for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo Slim. Although it's not the most expensive model, it stands out as one of Roborock's most advanced robot vacuums. At 3.2 inches tall and slim enough to easily fit under beds, sofas, and other low-clearance furniture, the robot vacuum covers more area than your traditional vacuum, reaching into tight spots that are often overlooked. 11,000. It is one of the most powerful robot vacuums with a suction power of pascals. It has a solid battery life of 180 minutes on low power. It also features fast charging, which is only available on high-end robots. The dock empties the dust container into a disposable bag that lasts up to 7 weeks. It washes the mop pads with hot water and air dries them with warm air, preventing bacteria buildup. It is also good at picking up animal hair with its 7-inch hair strands, uses advanced navigation technology called Starsight Dual Light Solid State LiDAR for precise mapping and obstacle avoidance, and recognizes up to 73 object types. Number 4. Narwal Freo X Ultra. If you prioritize mopping performance, this is for you. 0.8 2000 pascals. Suction power leaves carpets and floors spotless. Chips, fur, grain, dust, and debris don't stand a chance, even if they're buried deep in carpets. Hair and pet dander are transferred directly to the dust bag instead of getting trapped. SGS and TUV certified. Freo X Ultra has a 0% tangling rate, and 99.5% of hair is instantly removed. Patented rouleau. Robotic mop heads leave no gaps and spin at 180 RPM with 12 N of pressure to remove stubborn stains. Ordinary robot cleaners empty their dust into their base stations, a noisy and messy process. The Freo X Ultra has a built-in system that compresses dust for 7 weeks of maintenance-free cleaning and is disposed of effortlessly and cleanly with a disposable dust bag. 208 minutes of battery life on low power is also very satisfying. Number 3. Eufy S1 Pro Omni is a full-fledged robot cleaner that sweeps and mops your floors, then empties the dust tank and fills the water tank while charging the battery and drying the mop. When filled with clean tap water, the UniClean station starts disinfecting the 3-liter tank by adding ozone. Not only does this process look great, it also eliminates up to 99.99% of E. coli and other bacteria, according to tests by TUV Rhineland Laboratory. Good features include 4 hours of battery life and 8,000 PA suction power. If you want a vacuum cleaner that works especially quietly, this is the one for you. Number 2. Dreame L40 Ultra. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation, the L40 Ultra maps your rooms effectively and very quickly, cleans in precise patterns, and is above average at avoiding obstacles. Personally, I always recommend choosing a robot model with a self-emptying cleaning system, especially if you have pets. The L40 Ultra's dock not only automatically empties the robot's small built-in reservoir, but also washes its mats and then dries them using hot air. With 11,000 pascals suction power, it leaves no stains. The robot itself uses LiDAR, an RGB camera, sensors, and artificial intelligence to help with mapping and navigation around the house, and it's one of the best at it. The L40 Ultra has an impressive battery life. Dreame claims it can run for 194 minutes on low power, which is higher than average. Number 1. Roborock Qrevo Master. Equipped with FlexiArm edge mopping and vacuuming, 10,000 pascal suction power, and dual mops rotating at 200 revolutions per minute, the Qrevo Master certainly has impressive features and practical performance to match. It picks up 90 to 95% of small to medium-sized spills on both carpet and hard floors. Cleaning results are very good, with the Qrevo Master removing most stains, including tough stains such as dried coffee and sauces. 180. With a battery life of minutes, it can clean up to 300 square meters on a single charge. It has bristle-free brush rollers designed to prevent hair tangling. It also comes with a small blade that helps cut hair near the rollers, minimizing this even further. Cleaning is simple. Remove the brush roller and clean the hair and dirt from the sides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love it if you write your favorite robot vacuum cleaner in the comments. See you in the next video.